Hey guys, Nath here. So I'm going to show you through the progress that I'm doing of the AF conversion on my RMZ 450 frame and throwing my '07 RM250 two-stroke motor into. If you can see here. So right now, got the triple clamps and forks and that off the RM250. They fit straight up, which is pretty good. I'm going to end up giving them a blast, replacing all the stem bearings, thinking of either anodizing the triple clamps or not too sure. Going to have a go at trying to make myself one of those, so that should be pretty cool. Got 450 shock just here. You see that? One thing I am trying to do though, I'm trying to find an aluminium tank off the later models, so I can put the later model plastics on it. So yeah, so that should be all right. I'll now bring you out to two-stroke. Sorry. Now, the whole reason why I'm doing this, I was wanting to do it for quite a while, but after seeing what happened yesterday when I was riding, things have been better. As you can see, the damage. Yeah, so I've got a bit of work ahead of myself, but it should be pretty cool when it's done, so yeah. If you guys have any questions or anything else that I'm doing at the moment, feel free to send me a comment or whatever, and I'll try to reply as quickly and as best as I can. Another thing I've also got to try and figure out, or got my mate who's an engineer who's going to help me do the mountings down here, so I can fit the two-stroke in. I'm going to have to remove the lower mounts here, bring your U piece up, bring that up here so the header can fit through. From what I've read up, the actual swing arm pivot bolt and the engine actually fits in okay with the spaces and everything for the swing arm. Yeah, alright, so I'll come back to you soon, I guess. Just gonna take this swing arm off and everything and see how it fits up. Alright, bye.